CEO Ronald Hickler from Creating the Difference. I want to talk to you about symmetrical bowling balls and the device that we use to find that high RG axis. So this particular bowling ball is symmetrical. It doesn't have any sort of marking on it other than the pin and the CG, as you can see. What's going to happen is we're going to cut this ball on and we're going to let the bowling ball rotate to find that high RG axis, that mass bias. But there isn't a mass bias. So what you're going to see happen is as I begin to spin the ball and I go in to check, it'll actually begin to move. The ball will continue to move and it will go all the way around in a circle because there is no defined high RG axis. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So now, as I pull it off there, you can see how it's starting to create a path. And that's what it's going to do. It actually, if we waited long enough, it would spin all the way around the ball, creating a path because the high RG isn't in just one location. It's actually all the way around the ball on a symmetrical ball. Now, as soon as you put holes in it, that changes. There is a defined high RG spot. It typically is right around the thumb hole, and that's where the bowling ball would spin. But this gives you an idea of why the difference between a symmetrical bowling ball and an asymmetrical bowling ball, because the asymmetrical bowling ball will spin and stay in that one spot. Symmetrical bowling balls that are undrilled will actually rotate all the way around the ball exactly 6 3/4 inches away from the pin. Now you have more information. If you have more questions or need more information, check us out at ctdbowling.com. Ronald Hickler, CEO from Creating the Difference. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And check out one of the other videos on the screen for more information. Thanks for joining us.